What's going on, friends and family? We're back at it. It's a beautiful day. We're doing the video outside today. It's May 27, 2021, and we got the playoffs. We have the playoffs going. All right, so we're seeing some interesting things so far in the playoffs. Pretty much seeing the stronger teams take over these first two games, right? We're going to do a two-team teaser for our lock today. Now, first leg of the teaser is going to be in our first game this evening. I believe it's at 4, where the Bucks take off against the Heat, and this is at Heat, right? So we know what happened in the first two games with this matchup. Heat won the first game, and when it came to the second game, I mean, the Heat just pretty much couldn't miss. I mean, they were unstoppable from behind the arc, and they couldn't really stop Giannis's defense as well. So if the Heat need a chance or have a chance at all in this whole series, they're going to need to come alive with their offense. They need to start making mid-range shots. Their offense needs to come together, and they need to catch fire. I mean, I think that can happen. I do. That's why I'm staying away from the spread, and that's why we're going to take the over 220.5. So we're getting a teaser 4 points bought during this, so 220.5. I think that the Heat do come alive with their offense tonight. I think that the Bucks continue to shoot the way they've been shooting, so with that offensive firepower. And with that being said, that's why I think this total goes over. All right, for our second leg of the two-team teaser, we're going to take a look at the second game in these three games this evening. So, second game is between the Suns and the Lakers. One thing's for certain: the Suns are a crazy good away team, number one, throughout the regular season, with the Lakers not being too good of a home team. But after last night's performance, the Suns, they were playing good the whole game, and then after game one, Chris Paul had a nerve injury, call it a stinger, just causes numbness, kind of affected him in game two. He was laboring it. His passes weren't the same. So without Chris Paul being 100%, you could probably get some more points closer to game time if you want to lock this in later. But for the second leg, I do believe the Lakers take care of business again tonight, and that's why we're going to do -2.5 Lakers. So the two-team teaser will be over 220.5 with the Bucks and the Heat, combined with -2.5 Lakers. So that's what we have for our two-team teaser. Let's jump into our stock play. So stock market as a whole right now is honestly favoring us. We just finished that market crash, quote unquote crash and correction, mixed with the crypto crash as well. So we're starting to see some rebound levels. We're starting to bounce off our MAs. We are preparing for a bull run, right? We're not going to shoot to the stars immediately, but we will slowly start heading back upwards. With that being said, congrats to everyone that took that AMC run up and GME run up, fueled by the Wall Street Bets meme stock people. And I got some profits with AMC. I also saw some other stocks that did well, in addition to AMC. But needless to say, for our stock that we're going to be looking at, it's going to be a longer-term play, I guess, end of summer play. I want you guys to either get shares or get call options for this. It is ticker symbol TRIP. So it's, TRIP. It's going to be TRIP. This is TRIP Travel Advisories. With COVID vaccinations coming out, with things getting back to normal, places opening back up for vacations, I do believe that the travel industry will get better. I think it's going to rebound, and I see a very bright upside for Trip. So as many of you guys know, they have a pretty extensive and exquisite traveling platform for you to book flights and travel stays. So currently trading right now close to $45, and had a great green day today. We got up previously, in the previous Trip run up, we got up to 65, 66, I believe. So we just finished this downtrend. If you take a look at their chart, obviously don't have it with me right now, but see a small cup and handle forming, beginning to form. So expect a little bit of resistance and a little bit of pullback, excuse me, and expect Trip to have a solid next couple months for sure. I'm personally going to be getting some July call options with Trip. I plan to get some 60 call options for middle of July. You guys can do sooner if you'd like, but that's where my head's at, and that's what I have for our stock and lock. So two team teaser for the playoffs this evening, combined with ticker symbol TRIP. That's Trip. So let's get this money. Let's continue to ride these meme stocks to the moon. Let's take profits when you can, and don't forget to get puts as well. Right? What goes up must come down. So best of luck. Hope you guys save your stimmies or invest it, and I'll catch you guys for the next video. Take care.